Hey friends, this overview will guide you through getting your semester 2 course prepped for the rest of the year. So I am masquerading as Coach Allen, and I'm going to use her health class for our demo. So this is her semester 1 Skyward rostered master course that has all of her course contents in it. Super critical as we move on. Now, at the bottom, we have our unpublished semester 2 health courses. The first thing you need to do is select a master course, and for no other reason other than it is first period, I'm going to select this red card as her master. So I'm going to open it up, and we need to copy content from her current course to semester 2, which is exactly what most of you are going to want to do as well. So we're going to use the import existing content button. We'll select it. And for our content type, we're going to choose to copy a Canvas course. There's a couple ways you can do this. For this particular process, this is the best option. When you search for a course, if you have a course that you created manually, you can probably just search for the course name and find it. You'll know which one that you use for your master course. If you have a Skyward rostered master, super important that you go through this drop-down list and find for the current school year, semester 1, 2020-2021, and find the proper course. Okay, and we'll verify this in just a second. Because health is only a semester course and she definitely wants to carry over everything, she could select all content. But for demo purposes, I'm going to choose select specific content because this is the option that most of you will take. Either option, you definitely want to adjust your events and due dates, and I recommend you just remove them completely and then click the import content button. Okay. You'll want to verify that that is the correct course. So you can do so by clicking on the link. I'm going to control click so it opens up in a new tab. And here it is. I can verify. So I can see this is semester 1 this year. It's got her recent announcements, custom homepage. This is the course that I want to import content from. Now I can go back and select specifically what I want. Okay, we're going to work through this list. Course settings, you want everything. The syllabus, you want everything. Now here comes some differentiation. So modules, you may not want semester 1 modules. Her course is a semester course, so she's going to want to copy over all of them. So I'm just going to select the whole thing. Same thing for assignments. You can drill down and pick which ones you want. I'm going to select them all. Same thing for quizzes, question banks, discussion topics, pages. I'm going to point this out because you may not want to bring over all your pages, but you definitely want that custom home page. You need to know the name of the page. So to check that, if you go back to your semester 1 master and click on pages here in navigation, usually your home page, if it is a custom page, comes up and you'll know it because it's going to say front page here. If you're still not sure, go to view all pages, and from your page index list, you'll see front page listed next to whatever your page name is. Okay, so make sure you get the right home page. I'm going to bring over everything for her. External tools is another one that is also important. These are custom navigation links. I have no idea why there are 3 Skywards, so I'm going to bring over all of them. This is her Zoom. If I go back to her semester 1 class, you can see here's her Zoom, here's her Skyward. You don't want to leave that out. You don't want to recreate that. So make sure you select what it is that you want. Announcements, for her, I'm going to leave this out because if she wants any that may be relevant from last semester, she can go back and get them. You can do the same thing. We're going to add all of her rubrics and all of her files. Basically, you get from this list what it is that you want to import from semester 1 into semester 2, and then you're going to click select content. It's going to queue, and depending upon all of that information, the file size and internet, of course, it'll run for a little bit. Okay, so once it finishes, it'll tell you it's completed and address any issues that you may need to resolve. You can read those and fix those, but then let's check it out. So if I click home, voila, notice this is Semester 2, first period. There's her recent announcements. Remember the tab that carried over, no announcements though, and her custom help page. So it looks like everything is in good order. Remember, we brought over modules. Anything that she doesn't want, she can remove. Okay, in part 2, we'll take a look at the second critical piece of your imported content and make sure everything is set for that.